But before we do that, I want to kind of finalize the last topic and put it maybe into context. Does a marketeer have to worry about his or her job? Does a musician have to worry about his or her job? Does an actor have to worry about his or her job?
I think I would probably say worry is the wrong word.
Okay. What would be the word you would use?
I would use the word that regardless of the industry that I'm in, I need to be awake to what the potential implications could be, but also have the right mindset, which means that regardless of the outcome, that there's still a place for the things that make me feel passionate about. So think of, I know it's an old model, Maslow's hierarchy of needs and self-actualizations, all about passion and purpose, and it's from the 40s, but it's still very contemporary, that artificial intelligence is a concept that could take the marketeer's role, is going to basically affect the very base of the triangle, right? Which is all about survival and physical requirements. And I wrote a paper on this as part of my doctoral studies. And people's fears and concerns sort of were really hierarchical in nature from that self-actualization perspective, from passion. Some of the people that I've spoken to recently, again, from a mindset perspective, are seeing AI as a tool to broaden creativity, while others are seeing it as a negative, it's going to stop my creative process. So we've got this sort of polar perspective, but that's why I think it's not, do I worry about my role, or do I just get ready to try and continue the things that make me feel really passionate? And theoretically work out how I'm going to work in this new AI influence context.
Well, I love your very positive take on it. I think it's so important. If I may, I'd like to call it back to you and see if I'm covering what you're saying.